Hi everyone, this is Chef Ritesh here from Gourmet.in. Welcome to the Gourmet Food Week. So for the next few days, I'll be showing you some amazing recipes made with gourmet ingredients from our website in association with Travel Dine. Hi everyone, today we are going to do a roast chicken, but not the French style, with an Asian twist to it, where I'll be using Tai Hua's black pepper sauce. Another twist that I am given is I'm using a skinless chicken, because let's be honest, we come from India, we are more happy with our tandoori chicken which is skinless, our version of a roast chicken. This is what we get here rather than the whole dressed chicken, so let's go with this. It's going to be very simple. All the other accompaniments with it I've already prepped and kept ready. The recipes is going to be shared with everyone. So let's quickly start with the marination of the chicken. Let's first salt the chicken a bit. And let's prepare the marinade separately. It's the Tai Hua black pepper sauce. Some chopped garlic, some butter. So as I said, the chicken is skinless. Due to exposure of dry heat, the chicken will dry up very fast in the oven. So butter will prevent that from happening. Now what is about the Tai Hua black pepper sauce I want to let you know. So every cuisine almost had its own version of black pepper sauce. The French have their own, the Asians have their own. So this is a Chinese style black pepper sauce which is made with tomato paste, soy sauce, crushed black pepper, some aromatics and everything. So it has its own lovely flavor. And we talk about a lot about boneless meat and all. Yes, that's very true. It's it's there, but I still feel meat cooked on the bone has more flavor and it is almost more moist. So that's why let's do a comforting roast chicken for your Sunday lunches. And once your chicken is thoroughly marinated, allow it to rest in the refrigerator for say about 3 to 4 hours, and then before you roast the chicken, one tip I want to be very sure is any kind of meat, you should never cook if it is directly out of the refrigerator. Always bring it back to the room temperature and then cook it. Why? Because the cooking will be even, otherwise it will be cold from the inside if the heat is not controlled. So let's keep it in the refrigerator and wait for some time. So now that the chicken is rested for 6 hours and also at room temperature for another 1 hour, I'm going to roast it in the oven which is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. We'll be cooking chicken for at least 30 minutes and check if it's ready. It's great. So I'm doing a half roast chicken because I'm just doing one portion. You can always do a full roast chicken the way you want it. You can also do with the skin as I said, but of course I'm like we do not get hang of chicken with the skin all the time. So I'm doing a half roast chicken. Let's now cook it into our oven. As mentioned, I have kept the chicken for roasting at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This was approximately an 800 grams chicken and it's just a half chicken which I am doing. You can check at 20-25 minutes depending on your heat and then serve. Classic mashed potato. Forget the pantry pigs. some glazed carrots, some sauteed mushrooms, parsley, and here we go. So let's talk about one of our brands that we are showcasing and we'll be cooking with also. It's called Thai Hua. Thai Hua is a brand which comes from Singapore. They have amazing range of Asian sauces. So you can see here we have kept a few of them. So I'll explain you one by one. This is a light soya sauce with a reduced salt version for those people with hypertension. A naturally fermented dark soya sauce. That's a premium oyster sauce made with real oysters. So this is a black bean sauce. What's a black bean sauce? Basically you take soybean and you ferment it further. It becomes black in color. So that along with some aromatics and soya sauce, you make a black bean sauce out of it. That has amazing umami to it. For those spice hitters, we have the black pepper sauce, hoisin sauce, also known as the Chinese barbecue sauce, kung pao chicken, kung pao fish. We all know about it, the sweet and sour sauce that comes from Sichuan province of China, and teriyaki sauce, which comes from Japan. Also, the most amazing sauces for making your grilled meats, grilled chicken, etc. And of course, there are more range of sauces which you can definitely check out on our website gourmet.in. Happy shopping!